Good morning, class. Continuing with the exercise 10.2, we will be discussing the remaining questions. The first question is question number 5. What does the question says? Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent of a circle passes through the center. XY is the tangent, P is the point of contact. They are saying the perpendicular at this point. Prove that it passes through the center. So to prove this, we will be using a method known as method of contradiction. What does this method says? We will assume the opposite of what we have to prove. We have to prove that it passes through the center O. We will assume that O dash is the center. We will take another point, say O dash. This is the center. And if I join O dash with P, we know that the center and the point of contact make angle 90 degree. So in this case, angle O dash PY comes out to be 90 degree. Earlier what we have? Angle OPY is equal to 90 degree. Means this angle and this angle. 1, 2. From 1 and 2, what we got? These two angles. Angle OPY is equal to angle O dash PY. Both the angles are equal, and we already know that only one perpendicular can be drawn to a point. Means if I try to draw many perpendiculars at point P, actually it will be a same line. So O and O dash are not different points, they are same. What we assumed, it passes through O dash. What we proved, that O dash and O both are same. Hence, perpendicular passes through center. So this was the question number 5. Hope you understood this. This is a very interesting topic of method of contradiction. We will be discussing it detail in the first chapter, when we are going to do first chapter. The next question that we are going to discuss is question number 9. Question number 9, figure is already given in the book. XY and X dash Y dash are the tangents. What we have to prove? Angle AOB is 90 degree. This angle AOB is 90 degree. To prove, we have to do a construction. Join OC. What is the construction? Join OC. Now AP. Now in triangle APO and triangle ACO, these two triangles are these. Can you prove these two triangles congruent? Absolutely. AP is equal to AC. Tangents from an external point. From external point. Then we have OA is equal to OA. That is common. And another thing, OP is the radius, AP is the tangent. So this angle and this angle will be 90 degree. Angle APO is equal to angle ACO. Each 90. Therefore, triangle APO is congruent to triangle ACO by RHS criteria. If these two triangles are equal, congruent, so what about these two angles? Angle POA is equal to angle AOC by CPCT. Let these two angles be X. Similarly, triangle QOB is congruent to triangle COB by RHS. And similarly angle QOB is equal to angle COB by CPCT. Let both this angle be Y. Now what about this angle? X plus X, 2X plus 2Y. This angle is equal to 180 degree. Taking 2 common, X plus Y comes out to be 90 degree. X plus Y means this angle plus this angle. What do we call this angle? AOB comes out to be 90 degree.